So like I said, you guys, this week will be all crock pot style meals, dump and go meal, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another quick video, you guys. So today, you guys, how's everybody really doing? Yes, leave a comment below so I know. Okay? So anywho, you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Anything you saw prior to this is pre-recorded. And yeah, so we're starting on a whole new week, you guys. So today, well, all this week, let me add, all this week will be dump and go meals, you guys. I know it's hot outside, and yeah, you don't have all day in the kitchen, right? But you still want that delicious meal, okay? Whether it's soul food, whatever, okay? But you still want that delicious meal, right? So, hey, your girl is here to help you out. So how we're going to do this is, today we're going to have us some collard greens, crock pot style. Yes, that's hot. Okay. Now, what I did was I preset my crock pot on high. So, now what I am going to do is I'm going to spray a little olive oil in there. Yes, you heard me right. And we're going to add a little water. Just enough to wet the surface. Why? Because collard greens make their own water, right? So we're going to cook our collard greens in some smoked neck bones. And so we have 2 stalks of collard greens, you guys. Now these were already washed. And we're going to insert it down in here. And yes, we're going to put us some neck bones on top. Yes, we are. We're going to put us some neck bones on top. I prefer, the neck bones has been washed. I prefer smaller cut neck bones whenever I'm doing it in a crock pot, you guys. So yeah, we have some crushed red pepper that I'm gonna sprinkle on, you guys. I hope you guys saw that. We're gonna sprinkle on some crushed red peppers. Okay, and we're gonna add us some green seasoning. As soon as I get it out, okay, we're gonna also add us some meat tenderized. Why? Because we're cooking our meat with our greens. Is it gonna hurt anything? No, it's not. We're gonna add us a little oil in between. Now, you know, if you got that old cooking oil that you done fried some chicken in, yeah, go for it. Okay, makes a mean pot of greens. And we're gonna put our remaining greens on top of that. Why? Because this is more like a steam situation. I don't know how to put it, because your girl is not perfect, okay? But I enjoy the kitchen. So like I say, you guys, this week will be all crock pot style meals, dump and go meal, whatever you want to call it, okay? And so there we go. And we're gonna repeat this process. And yes, I'm taking off my glove. And I know some of you say, well, you touch this and you touch that. It's fine, because I'm in my kitchen. Okay? I'm just giving you an idea of how you can cook your meal And yes, we're repeating the same process. This is a delicious one-pot meal. Really, all you have to do is just make you some hot water bread, cornbread, whatever. And you are ready and set and able to go. So we're going to reach back here because I had the lid over here. And we're just going to cover this like so. And we're going to go ahead and let this cook. And, well, did I put a little oil on top? I don't think I did. But we're going to put a little more oil. That should be enough. I don't know about anybody else, but oil makes it glossy. And it makes it, just brings out the flavor in a collard green. I don't know if that's just my opinion. But, hey, if you ain't tried this recipe, it's a must try. Because this crock pot can do a whole lot more, you guys. So, yeah. Well, that is hot. So, we'll be back with the finishing product. Well, in between, I'll let you guys see what it turns out to be. Okay, guys, so we're back. And we're going to go ahead and check on these greens right quick. Guys, oh, if you could smell the aroma in this pot of greens. Now, this is going to be so delicious. You want to give these a stir. Ooh, that's hot. And I know some of you guys say you won't have your gloves on. It's okay. Because the better half of me prepping this food is already did. Now I'm using a plastic spoon, as you guys see. And we're going to bring that meat on up in here. Out. I had 2 bundles. No, I'm sorry. 3 small bundles of collard greens. Oh, that smells so good. Now, one could add more water if that's what they prefer, but I don't. I'm not a person that enjoys a lot of water around my greens. So, yeah. You could do any type of green that you choose to. I'm sorry if my hand is in the way. You could choose any type of green that you choose to. And yeah, you got all day to do whatever it is that you need to do. And come time for dinner, you will have the perfect pot of collard greens. We'll be back. So guys, we are back and we have our delicious pot of collard greens. Well, that's a crock pot of collard greens. You guys, look at these greens. And yes, they are tender. So yeah, that's all you have to do is put your greens, your meat, a little oil, olive oil if you prefer, put your seasoning, and just let that pot of greens go. So yeah, we have cooked them all the way down. I am going to continue to let them cook. And you guys, these are going to be so terrific. I don't want to stick that in there. Let's go in here. Ooh. You see that fell off the bone because, you guys, these are pretty much done. So if you haven't tried cooking greens in a crock pot, please give it a try. And yeah, you can go on about your day and you still can come home to some good old southern collard greens. With whatever meat is your choice, pot meal. So yeah, it's a dump and go meal. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. Share with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, come join the fam. Your girl would love to have you. So, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.